hold it.
No, you don't. You don't gotta hold. Let it go.
We are your magic secret friends, and on us you can depend. And we'll bring you here when you call. Let us take you by the hand. It's adventure time.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Camel Adventure. Today we have these bubbles, and it goes into this thingy. But my aunt knows how to open it, put the bubble in. So let's go. Come here, Auntie. My auntie's gonna get a camera to my mom. Wow.
And press the button now. Leave it up. Whoa, y'all better catch them bubbles.
Whoa! There's so many of them!
Get them,
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Y'all back it up. Get them. Oh, look at all them bubbles y'all ain't get. With a handle like this.
Oh!
Well, let Aaliyah hold it and you get the bubbles.
No, just let it.
I'm gonna hold it like this so y'all can go get it.
Can we both pop them together?
Yeah, pop them.
Yeah, of course you can.
Guys, look what I got from the store.
What's that? Show them. Jumbo push pop? What flavor is it?
Strawberry.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. If you guys see this at the store, you should get it. Any flavor is good.
Okay, sis. I like your outfit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about
You looking
mine?
cute.
What about mine?
Yeah, I told you I like your dress. Your dress is cute.
Guys, I'm eating bubbles.
The bubbles do not taste good.
Want to eat some bubbles too? Y'all got 90. Y'all about to be 100. When y'all get to 100, I'm gonna throw a little giveaway.
Did she come?
Yeah.
Told you.
I know.
I'm eating myself.
You did? You ate a bubble. How it taste?
Tastes like soap, I bet.
Now y'all can tell them how was it fun or what?
It was so much fun. I hope we could do this with you guys again. But it was so much fun. Bye, guys.
Bye.